Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video you will learn why your YouTube channel is not showing up in YouTube search. I will share 4 tips on how you can make your YouTube channel searchable. So you can bring your YouTube channel in search results by following these 4 tips. So let's get started. So first of all, my first point is about your YouTube channel name. Make sure you have a channel name that is not so competitive. Like I will give some example. Like if you make a channel with a name PewDiePie, then your channel is not going to be searchable because that keyword, the specific keyword is so competitive and you are not going to make it in YouTube search. So you just make sure that your YouTube channel's name is not so competitive. Like mine, when I created my YouTube channel, my channel's name was so unique, W3 Academy. There was no other channel in the name of W3 Academy. So that was easy for me to make my YouTube channel searchable in YouTube search. So that's my first point. And my second point is your YouTube channel's keyword. Like I will tell you, first of all, you'll have to open YouTube Studio. Okay, then go to settings. Okay, now from here you'll have to go to channel, and then from here you can see that keyword. So you make sure you have added some keywords in this. Like I've added my name here, W3 Academy, W3 tips and tricks, and many other tags are there, like computer and internet tricks, Facebook tricks, Instagram, and my name, and many other tags are there. And make sure you have added your channel name in this keyword section and some of the specific keywords about your channel. Like if your channel is about technology, then you'll have to write tips and tricks and how to. And if your channel is about news, then you'll have to write news, current affairs, and many other things in this section, in this keyword section. Okay, so make sure you have added some keywords in this section. And my third point is, when you upload a video on your channel, you must add your channel name in tag section of your video and description and title of your video. Like I will show you, I have added in upload defaults. Like you can see that W3 Academy, it's my channel name, it's here. And you can see that tags W3 Academy, it's here. And it's very important point, and a lot of new YouTubers ignore this point and don't add their channel's name in their video, in their title and description and the tag section of the video. So at the end of the day, the YouTube channel don't show up in YouTube search. Okay, so that's my point number 3. And my point number 4 is about your YouTube videos, your channel videos. Like what a lot of new YouTubers do is they just create a new channel and then they start searching their name on YouTube channel. And that's not how YouTube works. Like you must have uploaded some videos, like 3 to 5 videos on your YouTube channel before searching your YouTube channel. So if you upload 3 to 5 videos on your YouTube channel, then if your YouTube channel is not showing up on your YouTube search, then you must have followed some other techniques like I have mentioned in this video. So that's how you can make your channel searchable on YouTube. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.